Hi, I'm Phillip Nuckols with Universal Tool and Engineering. Welcome to Tech Tuesdays. Today we're going to talk about bender safety, safeguarding your benders, and some of the things that are safety. First up, we want to talk about safety mats. Safety mats are key and probably the basic safety guarding of a bender. The problem is it's only made to guard the operator himself. And to keep him out of harm's way, he's going to step inside. You see the safety zone lights up. That's going to make sure that everything, your hydraulics and your servos, are not active when the machine's running. This is going to prevent you from getting caught in the clamps and anything like that. But it will allow you to load and unload the parts when you're bending. So a safety scanner is just like a safety mat. The same concept is what they're about, is guarding the operator. The good thing with the safety scanner is you can put multiples in, daisy chain these together, and you can actually guard the full machine all the way around if you want. Put two on each side, one in the front, one across the back, or you can hard guard the back as well. Other things of safety is light curtains. Light curtains, they have their advantages and disadvantages. They're great for the sides of the machine, for people sticking objects inside and out. But as for guarding up front of the machine, the problem that you run into is if you've got a tube that comes out and swings through, and then you've got to blank out a section of it, and then you can stick your arm in. So it's not ideal for the front of the machine, but light curtains are a great idea and a great aspect for guarding sides and for everybody else other than the operator. So next on the list is pinch plates. These are safety for the operator as well, but it also helps protect the machine itself. You've got a forward and a reverse pinch plate on our machines. As you see, I'll bring the arm out so you can kind of see it a little bit. With this pinch plate here, you hit it, it'll shut the machine down. There's also one on the back side as well to do the same thing, to keep you from getting caught in between or a part falling in when the arm backs up, to prevent damage to the machine itself. Next thing we'd like to talk about is machine guarding. It's really nice, but again, does not protect your operator, but does protect everybody else from getting to it. So these are equipped with safety shutdowns, tied right to your safety relays, shut your rotor down right away as soon as one's broke. One of the last but most important things to remember is always wear proper PPE. This will be decided by the process and your safety team. Good day and safe bending.